Hi guys and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng broas or also known as lady fingers. And here are the following ingredients. Spatula, piping bag, baking tray lined with parchment paper, we will need 2, and hand mixer. Our first step is to separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Dito sa dalawang bowl, tag-isa sila. Be careful, dapat walang papatak na egg yolks dun sa ating egg white. Kung hindi, babagsak yung inyong egg whites. Then add 1 extra large egg white. Next step, paghaluin lang natin yung egg yolk at yung isang portion ng sugar, and using a hand mixer, ibibit natin to on medium speed hanggang maging light yellow in color. Ayan, light yellow in color na, i-add natin yung vanilla at i-mix ulit natin ito. Then, we'll set this aside. Para naman sa ating egg whites, i-beat natin ito on high speed hanggang maging foamy. Now na foamy na, i-add natin yung sugar in 3 portions. And the last one, continue lang natin ang pag-beat hanggang ma-reach natin ang stiff peak. Pagka ganitong glossy na, pwede na ito. Paano natin malalaman kung stiff peak na? Pag angat natin, mayon pointed na. Ang ating next step, ipa-fold in lang natin itong egg whites sa ating egg yolks. Maliit na portion muna para mag-loosen up. Then, add natin yung half portion ng egg whites. Again, fold in. Cut and fold method. Do not overmix this para hindi ma-deflate yung air na in-incorporate natin sa egg whites. Now, yung last portion, ihalo na natin. Again, cut and fold method. Now that it's ready, isi-sieve in na natin yung flour. Dito sa UK, it's pronounced as flour. Then, we will fold in gently again yung flour. Dahan-dahan lang ang pag-fold in para hindi ma-deflate again yung ating egg whites. Siguraduhin lang natin na fold in nating maigi yung ating flour at walang lumps. Now that it's ready, ita-transfer na natin to sa piping bag. Just get a glass, ilagay lang natin yung piping bag doon para mas madali ang paglagay ng butter. Then kunin na natin, i-tie lang natin, and push it down hanggang dun sa dulo. Then kung walang tayong scissor, i-cut lang natin yung dulo ng piping bag. Then, dito sa ating tray, ipapipe in na natin about 3 inches. Bigyan nyo lang ng konting space para hindi magdikit-dikit. We will bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes sa oven, ayan, brown na siya at springy na. Pag pinindot nyo, this one is ready. Then, transfer lang natin to sa cooling rack to cool down completely. Once na malamig na, mag-dust lang tayo ng icing sugar sa ibabaw. Meron akong parchment paper, yung ginamit natin, inilagay ko sa ilalim ng cooling rack para pangsalo ng icing sugar, para hindi makalat. Nakagawa ako ng 36 pieces sa recipe ito. There you have it, our broas, or also known as lady fingers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.